Welcome back to Arabic is on channel. If you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, speak Arabic, this is the right channel for you. This is comprehensive and it's for all free. Please feel free to subscribe, share, like, hit the notification bell, and comment down below of whatever it is that you want to translate from Tagalog or English into Arabic or any question in Arabic. Let's get right into the video. Ahlan wa sahlan. Okay, in the previous lesson we studied these letters Hamza. We also studied the letter Ba, Ta, Tha, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, and Sad. Alright, today we're going to study the letter Lad. Lad. It's like D in English, but way more pronounced. This is how I write it in the beginning, middle, and end. Don't forget to put the connecting lines. If you don't know what I'm talking about, connecting lines, why are we at Lad? Just please watch the previous video so you will understand what letters we've studied, what vowels, short vowel, long vowel, all that. And if you don't understand, just keep repeating the video. Also, you can change the speed of the video, make it faster, slower, whatever you can understand better. Alright, this is how we write Lad. This is how we write it at the end. Don't forget the connecting lines. And then we're putting those short vowels, la, du, li, la, du, li. Obviously, I forgot the connecting lines. But I guess we've talked about that so many times. We have Lad with mad bil alif, Lad with mad bil waw, and Lad with mad bil ya. This is how we read it. La, lu, li. It's long, it's stretched. It's not fast, it's not quick, it's not a short vowel, it's a long vowel. La, lu, li. Alright, so let's get into the examples. We have Labbu. Lab is a desert animal. It's kind of like an alligator, but it's brown and it's huge and it's scary. Labbu. This is how we read it. I put a little apostrophe for the D, so you'll know that it's not a normal d. It's not a dal. It's a lad. Labbu. And then the bat, we have two B's because of the shadda. It's because of the shadda. Labbu. Alright, so that's our first example. We can see how we wrote the lad at the beginning of the word, and it's connected to the bat because lad is connectable and bat is also connectable. The after of the lad is connectable and the before of the ba is connectable. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that means you need to go refer to the previous videos and watch them all repeatedly so you'll understand, and change the speed depending on how you like it. You want to make it faster, slower. You can change the speed in the settings of the video. Alright, another example. Daru. So the first one, lab means desert alligator. I don't know what that animal is called. And then dar means harmful. It's not useful, it's harmful. Daru. You can see I also put two R's because of the shadda. You can't say daru. It's not daru, it's daru. Two R's because of the shadda. And then I put a dash on top of A, so you'll know that the mad bil alif makes the word stretched. Is stretched 2 seconds actually. That's like the norm. Daru. And then the mad bil alif doesn't need any vowel. That's why I put squares. You don't need to put fatha, dhamma, kasra, or whatever. The mad bil alif itself is a vowel. It's a long vowel. The third example is hadiru. Ha with mad bil alif is ha. Dad with kasra di. And ra with dhamma ru. Hadiru means present. The Egyptians say hadir for saying yes sir, or yes I will listen and I will do as you say. Hadir, but it actually means present. I'm present, I'm right here. Hadir, hadiru, حاضر. So again, I put apostrophe for the H to know that this is a ha, not a normal ha, but it's a ha, ha. And then the dad has it's also not a normal D. It's actually a d, 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 d. The fourth example for today is going to be but it's a ba. You can't see the dot. There's a dot there. You can't see it, but it's there. So it's because of the camera angle. Ba with mad bil alif ba, hence the dash on top of the A. And then the apostrophe is the dha. And then with the fatha dha, with a T, X indicating that we use sukoon. Badat, badat, badat means she gave eggs. It's used with chickens when they give eggs. badat, badat. The chicken badat الدجاجة. badat الدجاجة. She gave eggs. Okay. Alright, so now we've come to the end of the video. This is the bonus. This is going to be some numbers. I'm not sure what number we've reached. I feel like let's reach 30 this time. It's going to be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And how you pronounce it exactly? 21 is واحد وعشرين. 22 اثنين وعشرين. 23 ثلاثة وعشرين. 24 أربعة وعشرين. Okay. 24 is أربعة وعشرين. 25 25 26 26 27 27 28 28 28. Alright, and then 29 is 29, 30 is 30. If you want to learn Arabic for reading purposes, if you want to learn how to write Arabic, if you want to learn how to speak Arabic, or you want to learn the pronunciation of Arabic, please just subscribe to the channel. This is the right channel for you. This is comprehensive. It's all free. It's on your own pace. Whatever time you're free, you can learn Arabic. It's just a couple of minutes of your day. It won't take anything. And it will add a lot of benefits. Also, if you want to learn Arabic to be able to read the Quran, if you want to learn Arabic for your career to be better at it, better chances, better opportunities, and also for personal reasons, this is also the right channel for you. You're going to be able to learn Arabic. Of course, you need to persist on it and follow the videos, watch them over and over again, and always prepare your notebook and your pen. At the end, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you liked it or disliked it. You can just dislike the video too. It's okay. You're entitled to your own opinion. Also, don't forget to comment down below whatever you want to ask in Arabic, or if you want to translate a sentence from Tagalog or English into Arabic, just comment down below in the comment section. Share this video to anyone who wants to learn Arabic. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified if there's a new video up.